What if the existence of a triangle depended on a single variable? In this video, we uncover how algebra decides whether a geometric figure can even exist. We consider a triangle ABC, where the length of side AB is equal to 2 times x plus 1, the length of side AC is equal to x plus 1, and the length of side BC is equal to 4 times x minus 7. Our goal is to determine the possible values of the variable x for which triangle ABC can actually take shape. According to the triangle inequalities theorem, in any triangle, the sum of the lengths of any two sides is strictly greater than the length of the third side. For triangle ABC, this gives us three conditions. The length of side AB plus the length of side AC is strictly greater than the length of side BC. The length of side AB plus the length of side BC is strictly greater than the length of side AC. The length of side AC plus the length of side BC is strictly greater than the length of side AB. Replacing each side length by its value in terms of the variable x gives 2 times x plus 1 plus x plus 1 is strictly greater than 4 times x minus 7. And 2 times x plus 1 plus 4 times x minus 7 is strictly greater than x plus 1. And x plus 1 plus 4 times x minus 7 is strictly greater than 2 times x plus 1. Simplifying each inequality gives 3 times x plus 2 is strictly greater than 4 times x minus 7. And 6 times x minus 6 is strictly greater than x plus 1. And 5 times x minus 6 is strictly greater than 2 times x plus 1. This implies that, from the first inequality, x is strictly lesser than 9. And from the second inequality, x is strictly greater than 7 divided by 5. And from the third inequality, x is strictly greater than 7 divided by 3. This means x belongs to the open interval from minus infinity to 9. And x belongs to the open interval from 7 divided by 5 to plus infinity. And x belongs to the open interval from 7 divided by 3 to plus infinity. Which means that x belongs to the intersection of these intervals. We conclude that x belongs to the open interval from 7 divided by 3 to 9. So only when x belongs to this interval can the triangle ABC exist. Outside of this range, the triangle collapses and geometry breaks down. If you learn from seeing how algebra and geometry work together, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves mathematical challenges. More mind-bending problems are coming soon. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.